Well, we're back with another recap from the toughest monster truck tour, night number 1 in Rio Rancho. Big thanks to all the fans for coming out. You saw a wild show. Derek Anson in heavy hitter was the man to beat. He's got 5 straight wheelie contest wins now to start the year. Then finally, someone took down Dan Runte and Bigfoot in racing. Heavy hitter with the win over Runte in the finals. Freestyle was wild. Runte does not like losing. He showed it. One of the wildest freestyle runs we've seen from him all year long. And Bigfoot takes the win. Enjoy some highlights. We'll see you back here tomorrow night.